Hello and welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's forecast Hedera and its token HBAR. We'll be using our AI and machine learning based approach to forecast the base case, the bull case, and their bear case for HBAR. This is the forecast that we have for you today. Before we do that and delve into this forecast, we'll first briefly look at the overall crypto market and look at what is happening over the past day. The crypto cap is at around 2.34 trillion, increase of about 1.1%. We are in extreme greed at around 86, and we have about 49 days left for Bitcoin halving. That is expected in sometime in April 2024. And now that we have covered this stats, we'll briefly look at HBAR over here, which is I think the number 33rd crypto by market cap, and look at some of its statistics, such as the total supply is at around 50 billion, out of which circulating supply is at around 33 billion. More than two-thirds of the supply is already in circulation. The volume has been about 3.5 to 4% of its market cap, and by volume it is at 92nd, but by market cap it is 34th ranked crypto. And we'll look at its log scale TA. We'll conduct a brief TA using technicals over here, and let's look at the weekly price action. We do not care that much about volume for this analysis. Let's flip it to log scale and look at some of the Fibonacci retracements for HBAR, uh, and that could correspond to some of the key levels over here. By looking at this particular analysis of HBAR, and in terms of the drawdown in bear market, starting from its all-time high at around 56 cents all the way to the crash to the 5.3 cents territory. The overall drawdown has been around 94%, and some of the key levels going forward in the rally would be the 0.23 fib level at 15 cents, and then the second level at around 23 cents, and moving on to about 29 to 30 cents. So those are the key levels to the upside. Now let's go to our AI based approach and look at what could happen in 2024. These key levels or the forecasts are not financial advice. We use ARIMA and LSTM related machine learning techniques and standard deviation based confidence interval for making the forecast easily understandable to the community. The color codes are following. The actuals are in white, the bull zone is in green, the bear zone is in yellow and red line, and the base case forecast is in orange. So now that we have covered that color codes, now let's look at what our AI based model forecast HBAR in terms of USD and also in terms of ETH. So now this is the USD forecast. This is now that we are in first week of March of 2024. The base case scenario for HBAR forecasted by our model is between 11 cents and 12 and a half cents for till the middle of year 2024. And now if you look at the HBAR's price today, it's at around 11.5 cents. But the bull case, now that crypto has been in the bull zone till starting October 2023, the bull case for HBAR is all of the area in green, particularly ranging between 13 cents all the way to about 41 cents. And that corresponds really closely to the weekly average all-time high at around 44 cents. So that's the bull case for HBAR in 2024 till August of 2024. Equally, the bear case is between 4.3 cents and 9.5 cents. So that's the bear case for HBAR. And now we'll briefly look at the ETH pair. You also have crypto valued in terms of ETH over here, and the HBAR forecast over here is ETH divided by HBAR over here. And the graph that we have is how many HBAR tokens can one ETH fetch. So this is ETH priced in HBAR. This is ranging from 5,000 HBAR tokens sometime when it was launched in 2019 all the way from that level, crashing to about 3.3 thousand HBAR per ETH. From this range, you can see that ETH has been consistently outperforming HBAR, a series of higher lows, and from especially the bull peak of the bull run, in terms of HBAR's valuation against ETH, from 5,000 HBAR per ETH. In the bear market, the valuation went almost 40,000 HBAR per ETH, almost 8x in terms of number of HBAR token that one ETH could fetch. So if that trend were to continue, that is, if ETH were to gain ground over HBAR, in that base case, the forecast is from 31,000 HBAR per ETH to 42,000 HBAR per ETH. In case, in the bull run, if HBAR outperforms ETH like it did from January 2021 to about March of 2021, sometime in the extreme bull phase, where undervalued, or the lower cap altcoins perform better than higher capped cryptos. In that scenario, this is the area to watch. Again, not financial advice. That ranges between 18,000 HBAR per ETH to about 29,000 HBAR per ETH. If we take an average of these valuation at around, let's say, 21,000 HBAR per ETH, and if we compare that with ETH USD forecast at around, that we have for this year at around $7,000, and if we divide 7,000 by 21,000, we would get 0.33, and that would be the number of that is the USD valuation of HBAR if ETH were to go to 7k, and the ratio were would of HBAR and ETH were to break down to the downside to HBAR's favor, that is at around, like we showed over here, at around between somewhere between this range of 18,000 HBAR per ETH and 29,000 HBAR per ETH, somewhere middle of that at around 21,000 HBAR per ETH. In that case, the forecast for HBAR per that scenario is at around 33 cents, whereas if we go to its own USD forecast, which could range somewhere between 13 cents and around 42 to 43 cents. So hope you like this content. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and also give this video a like, and hope to see you again tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.